Kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices for another Filipino recipe. Today we are going to make a turon, or this is like a banana egg roll, which is a Filipino dessert. Come here, babe.
You forgot about it.
I forgot about her. No, I didn't forget about you. So, turon is like an egg roll. You basically just put the banana. The banana we're using is called Saba. I think it's called plantain here in America. I don't know if this is, I think, between a fruit and a vegetable. So okay, you want to tell them what's the ingredients? Okay, so we have
banana.
What was your song?
I'm a banana.
I'm a banana. Okay, so the banana we're using is called a Saba or a plantain. A banana.
I'm a banana.
This is ripe. It's better to buy one that is ripe. This is actually almost overripe, which is perfect for this dessert recipe. Also, you need egg roll wrap. The brand of this egg roll wrap is this one, if that makes things easy for you. But any spring roll wrap will do. We also have a brown sugar to sprinkle it with the banana before we roll it. It makes sense after I demonstrate how to roll this banana. Also, this is a jackfruit. I don't know.
Like it. I don't like it.
Jazzy don't like jackfruit, so I'm gonna make two egg rolls, one with the jackfruit and one with just plain banana and sugar. So this is a jackfruit. If you don't know what jackfruit is, you can Google it.
Yeah.
And the seed, actually, you could just steam it and you could eat it. So all the Filipinos right there, you know what to do with the seeds. So I'm just using a small amount of the jackfruit since my daughter and my husband don't really care too much for it. But I'm gonna show you a little bit of how we make banana egg roll with a turon with the jackfruit. And we're gonna make...
Gosh.
No, don't move.
This is what happens.
That's what happened when you don't pay attention.
Yep, this is what happens when you don't pay attention.
Go wash your hands, babe.
Sorry about that.
It's alright, babe. And next, we're gonna make a caramel sauce to drizzle it on our cooked turon, or the banana roll. So our next ingredients is, this is a coconut milk. Coconut milk to make the cream. All we need to make caramel cream or coconut caramel cream is the coconut milk and a brown sugar. And also I'm going to demonstrate that later on in the video. So let me slice the banana first.
It's red, so yeah.
No, that's the chopping board. Remember, we got at Walmart?
Yeah.
Make things easy.
Oh yeah, and we got this from Walmart.
Okay. So we have just the egg white to secure the egg roll.
I'm a banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana.
She's so silly.
I'm a banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Banana power. Comment down below if you like that.
You're so funny. So now I'm just gonna slice the banana. Watch yourself, babe. You could help me rolling it. See, that's just like that. Just gonna cut it half. Just like that, and then we'll put it on
I
our
want to try that.
plate.
Old enough.
Yeah, I can't let you cut it because I don't want you to get...
It looks like it looks satisfying.
It look what?
Satisfying.
It looks satisfying, she said.
Remember that we had one of those mini bananas.
Oh, this banana too is, if you go to the Asian market, this banana is called Thai banana.
That's
Thai
the one
banana.
it's like small.
Yeah, but we had it small. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna start making a caramel sauce, a caramel toppings basically. So we just need
I'm gonna help.
yeah, a coconut milk. We're just gonna start cooking that because it's gonna take for the coconut milk to kind of separate from the oil. Coconut tends to overcook too, so just cook it in a low heat. Now the fun part.
Okay.
So this, when you buy this egg roll wrap, this is frozen, so make sure it's not frozen when you get it. So first we are going to grab a banana and put it in the middle like that, and then let's get a spoon so your hand won't get too sticky. And then you just sprinkle it with sugar. That's a lot though.
I know it is.
Or the easiest way to do it too, well,
You
it's
can
just
just dip it in there.
dip it like that. I hope you see that one. Just like that, and then you put it right there. First, we're gonna make the one with the jackfruit. So put like 2 of them in there, babe.
Right, like
And on top.
on top of the banana.
Mm-hmm.
Two.
See the
There we go.
the coconut is already mixing, so we're just gonna continue mixing it.
If you guys don't see that, that's okay because
No, we're gonna move the camera later on. I'm just cooking the coconut right now in just a low heat. So now, to roll it, you just go like that.
so easy. Easy.
And
peasy.
then roll it again. Roll forward. And then you're gonna secure this one.
Then
You could cut those hard ones if you want.
yeah, it's
Just
fine.
like that. So, babe, I put some egg white right here on those ends. Put that end right here, and I'll put this end right here. This is to secure your wrap. Don't make your wrap though too dry, because then you're gonna have a hard time to roll them. So like that,
And
and like
that.
this, and then just roll
it.
and secure it again with the egg
It looks like
white.
an envelope.
Yeah, like an envelope basically. So there's our first one. Now let's just put it on the side. Now I'll let Jazzy do the...
Like you're gonna tell me what to do.
Okay, now grab a banana. Roll it in a brown sugar.
Oh yeah. We should do that first.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you don't want to add a jackfruit? Add a jackfruit.
Add jackfruit. I never tasted jackfruit before. Wait, wrong side.
It's alright. Doesn't have to be the right side all the time. Okay. Now you want to roll it that way. Now let's secure it. See, because now it's gonna fall. So if you want to skip the brown sugar, it's really up to you.
I'm just gonna do this stuff and then my mom will cook it.
Like that, secure it with the... Yeah, that's the problem when you let your egg roll wrap set outside and not cold, it's gonna be dry. So you're really gonna make
Put some
sure
over
that...
here. Now,
Put some... A lot, babe. A lot, so you will secure it, because then it's gonna open. Okay. There is...
the second
Good job,
one.
babe. And now you're just going to repeat the process until all the bananas are wrapped. I'm just fast forwarding this video because I don't want you to get too bored watching this video. I hope you're not. My daughter is really having a good time helping me how to make one of these authentic Filipino dessert, and I hope you're enjoying watching it too, because she really had a great time. She loved helping me in the kitchen, which I like the most as well. Now just warm up some vegetable oil, or you could use a peanut oil if that's available. I'm using a vegetable oil. Continue mixing or stirring the coconut sauce. Once it starts getting thicker, now add the brown sugar. Also, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract. Just continue stirring this and cooking this in a low heat. When the oil is nice and hot, you could add the banana rolls. Make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. Make sure that you cook this until they're golden brown. While the banana is cooking, I'm continue stirring the coconut sauce. Now that banana rolls are golden brown, it's time for you to remove them and place it on a paper towel to drain the oil. There is the banana rolls, crispy banana rolls. So here is our turon. I hope you can see that. Nice and crispy. And now just transfer it to a serving plate. Just like that. Just drizzle that coconut sauce on top of it and let it cool down, or just put that dipping sauce like that. Remove the paper towel. So here is our finished product, the turon, or what we called banana egg roll. It's hot, babe. She can't wait. It's hot. So this one I drizzled the coconut sauce on top of it, and this one is just when you could use it as a dipping sauce, but I'm pretty sure it's still hot.
Hot.
No, this one. Here.
Is that just cold?
Try it. How is it?
Good.
Good? Oh, it's hot.
I only came here to taste.
So, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, and please check out our other videos here in Dash of Spices. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a good one. Ciao!